Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out on the lake checking out Sea Ray 250 SDX. So starting up here in the bow, you can see this is what the SDX is known for. The namesake is this squared off bow. You can see it makes for super spacious and comfortable seating area up here. It's super deep in, so it makes you feel contained, and you can easily ride at any part of this bow while the boat is underway. Up here at the top, you can see we've got this nice bow ladder that'll throw right off the bow, as well as your anchor storage up there. And then over here just a bit, you've got your bow sprayer at the top. It's an awesome add-on on this boat here. Got some dedicated cooler storage underneath the seat here. And then if you remove this cushion, you're able to expose your non-skid step for when you're using that bow ladder up there. We'll move on back a bit. You can see that we do have this walkway on the far port side of the boat and makes it comfortable and gives you that long bench seat up in the bow there. So you see we got this nice squared off windshield with the stainless handrails for the port side here. On this captain's chair, it's not a full swivel, but it does rock back and forth to give you the entertaining room that you're looking for on this SDX here. One of my favorite parts of the SDX is this berth that you get in here. So it's right in your head compartment. This swings open and you can see you've got a small cushion area down there. Great spot to lay the kids down for a nap, maybe get out of the sun if you have to. Then you pick up that first cushion and that'll expose your full vacuum flush head that you have underneath there. You've also got a 12-volt plug in that berth in case you need to get down there and charge some electronics, something like that. Over here at the helm, you can see we got this big captain's chair. You could probably fit 2 people in there if you really squeeze. But this does rock back and forth as well. And it's got the adjustable bolster for comfortable operating as well. Nice big Simrad screen, got your chart plotter, fish finder, engine management's all in there. And with this big Mercury outboard, you got that digital throttle off to the side there. Another great aspect of the 250 SDX is the amount of storage that you have. So you've got this huge, deep ski locker. It's where you've got some dedicated storage for your teak tables that's on this boat. And then storage underneath every single one of these seats in the back here. You can see we're getting plenty of shade from our nice big tower. This is a manual tower, so you just pop these handles loose and it'll fold right down on top of the windshield there. This bimini can be booted up as well. Another big storage compartment I want to show you guys is right in here. So you got a little bit of block off space, but tons of space in the back there. You can see in the cockpit we've got tons of entertaining space right here, so you can fit a bunch of people around and have them all sit and face in the middle here. But probably hands down my favorite feature of the 250 SDX is how you can transform this entire cockpit with just pulling this latch here and scooting this lounger forward just a bit, and you've got a massive swim platform now. So if you're not hanging out inside the boat, you got this huge section to hang out at, especially if you got some people hanging off on the side here. If you're hanging out back here, rocking this back, gives you that super comfortable look and feel for the back of this boat here. On the back here, we've got this nice big 300 horsepower Mercury Verado outboard with that white color upgrade. Makes this whole boat look super sleek and clean. If you guys got any questions about this boat or anything else we offer here at MarineMax on Lake Wylie, you can give me a call at 803-610-7828, and that's me, Blake Holbrooks.